This is the one. A $250 million mega mansion located in Bel Air, California. It has 21 bedrooms, 42 bathrooms, 3 kitchens, and its own bowling alley. It even comes with a private helicopter pad and a $100 million supercar collection. But here's the crazy part. Nobody lives here. This massive palace has been sitting completely empty. Why? Let's go inside the ultimate billionaire ghost house. To understand why it's empty, you first need to see how insane this place is. Spread over 105,000 square feet. This is the largest modern home in the United States. It took 8 years and over 600 workers to build this luxury masterpiece. Inside, everything screams extreme wealth. There is a private movie theater with 40 seats, a massive wine cellar, and a glass-walled garage that holds some of the rarest cars in the world. Outside, you get a 360-degree view of Los Angeles and the Pacific Ocean. It feels like a luxury resort just for one person. It empty? Well, it all comes down to drama and debt. The creator of this mansion wanted to sell it for $500 million, making it the most expensive house in history. But nobody wanted to buy it at that price. As the years passed, the owner ran out of money and owed over $100 million to the banks. Eventually, the house went into foreclosure and was sold at an auction for around $141 million, way less than its original price. Today, it sits as a symbol of ultimate luxury, waiting for a billionaire to finally call it home. Would you live in this massive mansion all by yourself? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Global Lens Doc for more mind-blowing luxury stories. See you in the next video.